Hello children, good morning. I am going to teach standard 6 maths. I had told you about integers and its definition. Once again, I am telling you its rules and properties and how to find the answer in the integer chapter. If you face any difficulties, you can ask me over the telephone. Thank you. Now, what is integer? Integer is the number system that contains positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Or we can write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 like this. Negative numbers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Positive means plus sign will be in the left side of the number. Negative means minus sign will be in the negative numbers. 0 is neither negative nor positive. The sum of a positive and 0 is the positive number. For example, plus 5 will be added to 0. The result, the sum is also a positive, that is plus. Then number is 5. The sum of a negative and 0. Negative integer is, for example, negative integer is minus 5 and 0 is added to it. So result will be the number itself. The number itself is minus 5. Now integers in addition and subtraction. When we add two or more positive numbers, their sum is a positive. For example, plus 2 is a positive, plus 3 is a positive, and their sum, they are added now, their sum is a positive. Two positives are added, 5 is a positive plus 5, 4 is a positive plus 4. When they are added, what sign will be there in the result? Plus, because both of them are positives. So when two or more positives are added, their sum is also a positive. Positive means plus sign will be there in the result. Then what is their sum? 5 plus 4, 9. When two or more than two positives are added, 7 is a positive number, 5 is a positive number, 3 is a positive number, 1 is a positive number. More than two positives are added, the sum is also a positive. Plus sign will be there in the result. Then add the numbers. 7, 5, 3, 1. Their sum is 16. So answer is sum is plus 16. When we add two or more negative numbers, their sum is also a negative number. For example, 5 is a negative number minus 5, 3 is a negative number minus 3. When these two are added, what sign will be there in the result? Minus sign, because the sum of the negatives is a negative. Then sum means after putting the sign in the result, then add the two numbers. 5 plus 3, 8. As these two are negative integers, so the sum will be a negative. So first put the negative sign in the result, then add the two numbers 5 and 3, their sum is 8. So answer is minus 8. One more, minus 7, minus 2. These two are negatives and they are added. When two negatives are added, the property, the rule is the sum of two negatives is a negative. So 7 is a negative, 2 is a negative, their sum will be a negative, means minus. Minus sign will be there in the result. Then add the two numbers 7 plus 2, answer is 9. So minus 7 plus minus 2, the result is sum is minus 9. Then sum of two or more negatives. More negatives, suppose minus 8, minus 5, minus 2, minus 1, they are added. All these are negative integers. When there are more than two negative integers are added, the sum is also a negative. Then add the numbers 8, 5, 2, 1, their sum is 16. So a result is minus 16. To find the result, first put the sign plus or minus in the result and then add the numbers. But this is important that when a positive and a negative number is added, the result may be a positive or a negative. How? When two integers, one is positive and other is negative, are added, first what sign will be there in the result? Either plus or minus. Now I am going to tell you. The sign in the result will be the sign with the bigger number. When one is positive, other is negative, and they are added, what sign will be there in the result first? In the result, the sign will be what sign? The sign will be the sign of the with the bigger number. The sign with the bigger number. The bigger number has plus sign because 7 is bigger, 5 is smaller. So 7 is bigger and its sign is plus. So first plus sign will be there in the result. Then after this what should we do? As one is positive, the other is negative, we should not add the two numbers 7 and 5. We should not add them. We should find their difference because one is positive and other is negative. So we should find their difference. First put the sign in the result. What sign will be there in the result? The sign having the bigger number. Bigger number is 7. Its sign is plus. So there will be plus sign in the result. Then find the difference of the two numbers. The difference of 7 and 5 is 2. So answer is plus 2. So answer is plus 2. Then one more example. Suppose minus 8 is added to plus 5. Minus 8 is negative, plus 5 is positive. When these two are added, question is what sign will be there in the result? What sign? Either plus or minus. What sign will be in the result? The sign having the bigger number. Bigger number is 8. Its sign is minus. So there will be minus sign in the result. Then after putting the sign in the result, then the two numbers will be added. You will find their sum or their difference. Their difference. Because one is negative, other is positive, and they are added. When one is negative, other is positive, we should find their difference, not the sum. So first put the sign. What sign will be the result? The sign having the bigger number. The bigger number is 8. Its sign is minus. So first put the sign minus sign in the result. Then their difference is 8, 5. Their difference is 3. Then result is minus 3. Once again, plus 3 is added to minus 9. Here out of these two integers, 3 is positive, 9 is negative. What sign with the bigger number? The bigger number has a minus sign. So there will be minus sign in the result. Then after putting the sign, what should we do? We should find the sum of the two numbers or their difference. Their difference. Because one is positive, other is negative. So their difference is 9 minus 3, 6. So final answer is minus 6. Finished? Rest of the things about multiplication and division I will send in the next video. Thank you. Visual sir.